In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Forms in Outlook. This process is straightforward and will help you leverage the tools available within Outlook to create and manage forms effectively. First, open your browser and search for Outlook. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Simply type Outlook into the search bar and hit Enter. As the results populate, look for the official Outlook website, which is typically the first link. This step is crucial because it takes you to the right platform where all your emails and applications are centralized. If you see multiple links, just ensure you select the one that leads to Outlook.com, as this is the official site. Once you navigate to this page, you will be ready for the next step. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. Once you click on the link to Outlook, you'll be directed to a login page. Here, enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity. This step is important because logging in securely ensures that your information and forms are protected. After you enter your credentials and successfully log in, you will be taken to your Outlook inbox, ready to access the applications available to you. Now click the App Launcher icon, which is the grid of 9 dots in the top left corner. This icon is your gateway to all the Microsoft applications linked to your account. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing various apps like Word, Excel, and of course, Forms. This step is significant because it allows you to access the additional tools that Microsoft provides, enhancing your productivity. You will see a clear and organized view of all applications, making it easier to find what you need. From there, select Forms from the list of applications and a new tab will open for Forms. Clicking on Forms will redirect you to the Microsoft Forms interface, where you can create surveys, quizzes, and polls. This step is essential as it provides you with an intuitive platform to design and distribute forms. Once you are in the Forms tab, you'll see options to create new forms or access existing ones. This interface is user-friendly and you can start building your forms right away, ensuring that you can collect the information you need efficiently. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed Microsoft Forms through Outlook. With your forms ready, you can now gather information, feedback, or conduct surveys with ease. Remember, utilizing Microsoft Forms can streamline your data collection process, making it a valuable tool in both personal and professional settings. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Microsoft Forms in Outlook.